Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Teachers' Day. Good morning to everyone present here. Every year on 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and President of India. He believed that teachers are the real architects of society. Teachers shape our lives like potters shape clay. They correct our mistakes, inspire us to do better, and cheer us when we succeed. Without teachers, doctors, engineers, artists, and leaders would not exist. They give us roots of knowledge and wings of wisdom. Dear teachers, today we students promise that we will study well, follow your advice, and make you proud. The respect we give you will always be greater than any gift. Thank you for guiding us with patience and love. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day. Don't forget to subscribe.